So you can't get your biceps to grow. In this vlog today, I have come up with a formula, a 3-step formula that is gonna guarantee the juiciest. Like a lot of you guys just go in and you do some curls. Oh, they're not growing. What's up, Sunny Boys? That's the new intro. We're gonna do that every vlog. What's up, Sunny Boys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's early in the morning. Not really, it's noon. Just rolled out of bed. But I'm gonna go train. Don't want to do schoolwork right now. Back in Biceptuals today. It's going to be nice. I'm going to go make the pre-workout 9,000 on Instagram. So it's a decent accomplishment for a kid that looks like a troll doll. So let's get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm a mushroom. Boing, boing. All right. I've come up with a formula, a 3-step formula that is going to guarantee you the juiciest bicep peaks of all time. All right. So real talk, real talk. You want to grow your biceps, right? Everyone, you know, oh, where's the beach? Oh, it's that way. If you want to grow your bicep, the first thing is simple. Train them, okay? Everyone says, oh, how that is so stupid. Why would you say that, dude? Why would people come on this video and want to be told to train something? It sounds like common sense, right? But a lot of you, a formula or a secret hack, bro. You could do the same bicep curls every single day, but if you're feeling it in your mind to muscle connection and you're getting that pump, you're gonna grow. Everybody's different. It's not a one-dimensional way to bicep growth. Like, for me, naturally, my biceps are probably one of my better parts. I don't have the best, most shredded physique, but it's easy for me to put on like upper body mass, if that makes sense. You need to up your intensity, up what you're eating. Biceps aren't growing, you're doing something wrong. Play around with drops at super set. Hit it from different angles, bro. Like, just get creative with it. Doing the same thing over and over, eventually you might run into a plateau. The best tip that I have for you, honestly, is if you can win your sets when you're training biceps, if you like flex them, really flex them hard, bro, the pump that you're gonna get from that is just, it's exquisite. And if you're on this video right now thinking that, oh, I'm gonna come here and my biceps are gonna grow, that's wrong, and click off, because that's not what this channel is about. You want bigger biceps, you gotta do it for yourself. Like, you gotta do it. Like, there's no hack. Find what works for you. Stay consistent, make progress. It's that simple. You gotta do a little bit of everything. Everybody's different. Not one exercise is ever gonna make you grow. Your biceps will grow, even if you're natural, even if you're at a plateau, even if you don't think they'll ever grow again, you can get those big juicy biceptuals. Go get those big juicy biceptuals, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the vlog. It's back in Biceps Day.
Casually, I celebrate all of my victories. All of a sudden, they all gonna be mad at me. Damn, I don't have time for concern. I just go live and I learn. Trust me, I waited my turn. Living my dream in return. This is a given and earned. People been listening over the world. I've been making that money while I be asleep. I never rented the money, but now all the money been too busy running to me. Hey, I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas.
Yo, what's up, vlog? Just got out of the shower, just had a meal. Horse noises. Alright, what's going on, vlog? The kid needs gasoline. Like this video so I can get some gasoline, please. What's going on, everybody? It's my nose looks funny. I still can't announce the big news. Still can't talk about it, but huge news. It's gonna be huge. As I reach out to a lot of fitness influencers and people in the industry and just anyone with overall success in life, and everyone always is like, and this is no shots at anyone, but they're always like, yo, just be yourself. While that's great advice, I think maybe I might be being too much of myself. Might be, you know what I'm saying? You know, some people might not like the bounds, you know what I'm saying, in the vlog. I'm being myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm being myself. I'm going through a college town right now and everyone is looking at me. I'm serious, bro. They looking at the kid. I'm saying fluck it. I don't care. Fluck it. What's up, vlog? It's time for our lyric of the day. Okay. I'm hanging with killers. We know that they killers, but we know that they all need love too. Think about that for a second. My girlfriend's coming to let me in. We're gonna scare her. Oh. Hey, Lauren.
Yeah.
Look at me. You think the people enjoy you in the vlogs?
I don't know.
You don't know? No. Puma sponsorship. Congratulations, Law.
Because I worked really hard.
Alright, guys. We're watching Poseidon. It's a movie about the Greek god. What's brackin'? Vlog, what's up? Just got home. Bro, life sucks. That was a joke. I love life so much. Love it all. You guys want to see something? This is me if I, Look at my forehead, bro. Oh my goodness gracious, bro. I just don't like this at all, and I can't stop looking at it. It looks so funny, bro. Alright, guys, pro tip in college, though. Lights off. Like, where would I have the money or the time to make a professional vlog? And this is so much more fun. The fact that this is me. Like, the influencer I reach out to says just be yourself. Got some goods in today. Whoop, can't show you that. All right, guys, final product. Oh my God. Dude. Oh, burnt. I burnt the frickin' fries. So, like this video. All right.
And hit the sack maybe a little early tonight.
Ah, dude.
Hey.
Okay.
It's a chain.
We got a mail day. First thing, a little chain. Yeah, chain gang. Some pre-workout, some samples from Beam Supplements. Can't wait to little taste test for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing with it. We got some whey protein here. Some vegan protein powder. All right, the best protein bars in all the land. Use code HALK, 20% off. That'll save you 20% of the tastiest, creamiest, most delicious protein bars you could ever have. And the craziest thing about these protein bars, the macros are literally insane. This bar is 190 calories, 7 grams of fat, 27 grams of carbs, no sugar. Get protein. That's code HALK, 20% off. That'll save you 20%, bro. And I'm telling you, you support the kid will support you. You know what I'm saying? I want to be 100% transparent though, because I'm never going to promote something that I want to eat or that I don't like. And bro, these things literally are gas. They taste like a Cliff Bar, but are way healthier. Like, the macros are so much better than a Cliff Bar. Are definitely better tasting protein bars on the market. But when you combine the macros with what you're getting in this, bro, I'm out of breath. I'm so excited, bro. These things are going to change my life for real. Like, being a college student, this is a simple hack, bro. Simple. I'm walking past all these apartments, talking so loud. You know your boys made it when you whip out the vlog camera in the city.
What's up, Sonny?
All right, guys. Hayden's vlogging. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for 9K on Instagram. We coming for that 10K on TikTok, Instagram. Bro, I'm telling you, 2021 is mine. Geysers in the chat. Stop playing with. Also, what was I gonna say, bro? I was gonna say something cool. Something to make you guys think, oh, that kid's cool. Yeah, I don't remember.
Now legendary, liven up the resurrected, dead and buried. This for niggas who ain't satisfied with secondary. This for my sisters who ain't satisfied with secretary. I'm blowing up and bitch, I'm still me. But what's the cost to live your dreams? Do you feel me? Everything glittering ain't what you think it will be. Funny how money chains and whips make me